Today you'll learn how to solve two-step equations. Now the goal of a two-step equation is to find out what x is. X is a variable. Does anybody want to take a guess at what a variable is? Yes.
It's a letter that represents a number.
Good job. It's a letter that represents a number. So over here we have some more vocabulary words. We have isolate. I know you heard that word sometimes. Does anybody want to take a guess at what isolate might mean? Yes.
To get it by itself.
Yes, so to be by yourself or alone is to isolate. And we have another word called coefficient. That's how you read it, coefficient. Does anybody want to take a guess at what a coefficient might be? We've heard it a couple of times when we spoke about equations. Yes?
It's the number before a letter.
Good. It's the number that's actually attached to the variable. So, step one reads, isolate x, which is our variable, and its coefficient, which is the number attached to the variable, to one side of the equation. So does anybody want to read what the example is? How to read an example like this? Yes.
2x plus 4 equals 10.
Good job. So in this equation, what is our variable? Yes.
X.
Right. And what is our coefficient?
2.
2. Good job. So we want to try and get 2x on this side of the equal sign by itself. But we have something in the way. We have a plus 4 in the way. So now, in order to get rid of the plus 4, we have to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So we subtract 4 from this side of the equation. And anything you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So what are we going to do on the other side? Minus 4. Good job. And 4 minus 4 is what?
0.
Good job. And 10 minus 4?
6.
Excellent. So now that we've canceled this out, we don't need to put the 0 because we know that anything plus 0 is itself. So now the equation will read 2x is the equivalent of 10 minus 4, which is 6. And we want to always try and rewrite our equation so that we have a clean space to work with. Step 2. Would anybody like to read step 2? Yes.
Divide both sides by the coefficient.
Correct. So here's our equation again, our simplified equation, 2x equals 10, and our coefficient is?
2.
Good job. So we want to divide on this side, and once again, anything that we do on one side, we do on the other, yes? So we divide this side by 2 also. So now 2x divided by 2 is what? 1
X.
Right, we can't forget the x. And then we have 6 divided by 2, which is?
3.
And now our answer is x is equal to?
3.
Good job. Now, just to make sure, we always want to check our answer. So the first step in checking our answer is to write out the original equation, which is here. So I just brought it down here. And anybody want to read the equation for me again?
2x plus 4 equals 10.
Good job. And now the second step is to rewrite the equation, but now we're going to take the answer that we had and plug it in where x was. So now we have 2, parentheses 3, and you just bring down everything else, plus 4 equals 10. And now I just rewrote it so that I put some parentheses in, and I actually put the operation symbol for you. So now it's 2 times 3, and once again, what do? Just bring everything down, plus 4 equals 10. Now 2 times 3 is? 6. Excellent. And then bringing everything else down, 6 plus 4?
10.
Good job, we're done. Okay, and now you're going to learn a song to teach you and help you remember how to do the two-step. So, this song is to help you remember just what to do in the two-step. Two-step. Step 1. Get the coefficient in x alone. Step 2. Yeah, we're almost through. Divide on both sides. Now you know what to do. But hold up. Wait a minute. Check your answer before you finish. Two-step. Two-step. Thank you.